Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another episode of DJI Fly Up. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can calibrate your gimbal on your drone. So for this all you need to do is to have your DJI RC controller, any of them will do, an Android phone as well, access to internet and the drone itself. So in this video I'm gonna use my DJI Air 2S to demonstrate how you can calibrate your gimbal on your drone. So sometimes it happens when the gimbal motors are kind of overloaded because of the wind or maybe the movement or maybe got stuck something in the gimbal. So your gimbal needs to be calibrated. So let's have a look. I'm gonna switch on my DJI RC and controller. I'm gonna switch on my Air 2S as well. So as you can see here, so I'm gonna connect my phone to DJI RC and controller, and we're gonna calibrate the gimbal on this drone. So let's have a look. Okay, so now I will need to open the DJI Fly application, and as you can see here, the DJI Fly app has opened, and all I have to do is just connect them two together. So we're gonna go connecting guide, and we're gonna connect to Air 2S, which I'm gonna have to find, and here you go, that's the Air 2S, and we're gonna search for the aircraft. As you can see here, it's still searching for the aircraft. You're gonna have to wait like a minute, something like this, and I know it's sometimes takes a while. And this happens because you kind of switching from one drone to another drone using same DJI RC and controller. So as you can see, I was unable to find the drone, and we're gonna try again. I probably missed it. So as you can see here, the drone and the DJI RC and controller have been connected together, and now we're gonna start to calibrate the gimbal. So as you can see here now, all you have to do is just click on them three dots here in the corner. Make sure you're on control, so just scroll down until you're gonna see gimbal calibration. All you have to do is just click gimbal calibration, and you can do manually or automatically. So in this case we're gonna do it automatically, and now as you can see here, the aircraft is doing the gimbal calibration itself. It takes a while a bit. As you can see here, calibration successfully, and also you can do it manually. So let's have a look and do it manually as well. So manually, basically you're gonna have to adjust it the way you want it. To be honest, I've never done it, so I'm not gonna go into it. But as you can see here, it's well, the gimbal calibration is done, and it's pretty easy. The reason you need sometimes to do the gimbal calibration is because sometimes the gimbal isn't working properly, or because of the wind, or maybe something got stuck in the gimbal. So you need to make sure you check the gimbal and do the gimbal calibration. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed and you have any questions or you want me to make any other videos, please feel free to reply them in the comments, and I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. If you have any questions, also ask me anytime, and also thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe my channel so you're not missing any other videos in the future, and I'll see you next episode.